So I'm just trying to take advantage, but I'm not trying to go too fast because if people stop suddenly, I don't want to hit them. So you're trying to find that balance between good safety and good speed and good fuel economy. We're in an older area of the country, so that bridge is 13.9. I'm not worried about it, but you can see that truck. And they're from the country to the north. So I'm just turning really easy, and you kind of go in side to side. And I'm watching for brake lights. This pedal is definitely very sensitive. I would not have cruise control on because I'm not used to this vehicle and I don't want to fall asleep mentally. So next load, I have more respect for that semi-truck driver, and I know that driver is aware of this little Mini Cooper. So they're getting over. I'm trying to maintain good speed. If all the lanes are full, you can drive in this lane. I'm just watching that fuel gauge go down. Trying to keep it moving. Again, hopefully you can hear me. This gives you some idea of the noise that you'll have. I'm lifting my foot because I'm going downhill and I'm losing my following distance. Just taking my time. And you really have to manage more distance and space in this vehicle. You just feel the vehicle just, I'm not saying out of control, but you feel it, and you've got to be really on top of how you manage. And this, I don't know if this is an 8-speed, 10-speed automatic, but I can imagine with the stick shift it'd be even more intense. They're working on the country. You can see them putting in the bridge. I'm trying to keep it in the lanes. I'm gripping the wheel too hard, so I gotta relax. And now I feel smoother. I just relaxed. And that's my advice. You have to drive relaxed. And I'm hoping people will stay away from me because I'm a bigger vehicle, but some people just don't care. I'm really checking those mirrors. I used to work for an agency that drove experimental vehicles. They said, drive with the brakes. I'm watching them. They're just coming over. And I really want to be aware. See, there's more debris in the road. Just ran it over. And they were cutting over. No blinker, no nothing. Very dangerous. I think people take it for granted. But when you're driving a bigger vehicle, you're like, holy crap, use your freaking blinker. You know, be safe. I'm looking at space ahead of me, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. I'm about 4 seconds away. I am empty. This vehicle could hold up to another 8 to 10,000 pounds, so we're not gonna have that type of weight, but camera equipment, lights, props. So I'm lifting my foot right now. Lifting my foot again to keep that space. And I find myself with this bigger vehicle, I'm trying not to ride on people's butt, like that white vehicle, that Ford up there. I'm just trying to keep open space and really be a courteous driver. I'm lifting my foot again. So I have to make a decision. Do I want to keep pushing? Do I want to get over? I'm going to make a decision to get over. So you see me really looking. Now I can see a lot better. The middle lane, probably for this bigger vehicle, is definitely better. I can see the left, middle, and right. Now, I heard sometimes truck drivers do wind drafting, and if you heard about that, let me know. Trying to keep it going really nice. Look home. Is that the police? Fire chief? I don't know what they doing, but I'm just keeping space. They're from another state, so I'm trying to back off a little bit. That white Chevy up there, it keeps cutting off. And I'm just trying to take my time.